factory produced race car. They made 77 of them. They've sold about 30, and we've got our own race series. Everybody got one of these cars.
And that's the Mustang Challenge.
They're all spec cars. The motor's been sealed. They're all supposed to be the same horsepower. Got to run the same tires. So it's only 325 horsepower.
Really? What does the car weigh?
You got to be on the track 3,600 pounds with the driver. So,
This is a 401k right here. If you hang on to this car, this thing will be worth outrageous amounts of money in the future.
I actually believe you're right.